Hello and welcome. Today's video I'm going to unbox Realme U1. So this is a 3GB model. As you know, this one has two kinds of model. One is 3GB and another is 4GB. So this is 3GB and 32GB storage. So I'm going to open it. So it is completely sealed, so I need to open it. So let me just find a place to open it. So it is really hard sealed, and in order to open it you need to have something like yeah, it is opening. It's really hard, so let me open it. Yes, I got a place. Fine. So yes, here you go. So this is a look. So I'm going to open it. Yes, open it. It's very, yes. So yes, here you go. So this is a blue model. So it has a black model at the back side, and blue as well as gold. So this is a blue, brave blue. So along with this phone they will provide a charger. You can see the charger is sealed with a stick like this. So you can see the charger. It is a nice cable. So it is a USB cable which you can connect with the laptop as well as with this charger. So now coming to this one, and they will provide, this is a manual, which you can read for different how to use and all these things. I think we do not need this to read. You can see a back cover. It is a nice back cover. And now coming to the phone. So this is the main one. So in this phone, so if you look at the phone, I can show you. Here you go. Look, this is a nice phone. I'm going to switch on, and let me describe the buttons. There are two buttons, one for the volume up and button, and this side is power on, and at the back you have a charger, you have a microphone, you have the speaker, and this is for the your headphone. And here you can see the camera. So there's a small at the up. So this is the camera of 25 megapixel, and at the back, so the back looks really good. And this is not a glass, it is a kind of a plastic protected, but it looks really good. So if you touch it, it feels like a glass. And this is a fingerprint, and you can see the flashlight, and there are two cameras. So this is a 13+2 camera. So now I'm going to switch on the mobile. Yes. So okay, it needs charger. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, it needs charger. Anyway, so this is all about the Realme U1 mobile phone. It looks really handy in one hand. If you hold in one hand or another hand, it looks really nice. So I hope you have learned about this phone, and before buying this phone always check on the website. But this is a nice video, I think, to understand about this phone. Thank you.